Rukunjiri municipality yonke kahandika beji 10 shanju na babiri ko bano babashitame buzo by'umwaka ogu ababino kwirarishirira ngo kesharingo kagumzamu nibabasa gukora kubi umbubuzo byihanga
taba tujyo mu class questions mwenkite nk'abana ba P7 chiriyon chitoretero buzu kubanga ntubarayo omwezi gumwe gwenka tukakora PRE mwati abacha tubaye sharinga tumecho kwa
Chikomu kasheshe nanga twakira tija kwega shikaho twashanga bashomesa bataro shanga wedu master witu atija tuzasembure tushaba atujya ngo tuzomukera si tugenda revising atutaturia ku revising kandi to kabana ba P7 turya kurakirya affecting amanonga because turya kuzakora pero yitu kandi tutekateka byagumzambe tuntukora ku munonga
Bella Shizela Nankunda na Patricia Chohire abeja hanyabihinga primary school nibagira ngo kubura kw'abashomesa kwa bateganisa abo ko bubwire buriyo n'ubuwayo kandi nibendo habuze bw'abashomesa kwetebekanisa kurunji
Elizo babegesa tibija kandi cyatwara kubi abo kuba babatizire mwe nituburabo kandi babaryamwe nitubavuze buzo batugarukamo nitwefiringa encourage konka Elizo babataho
icyateganisa abwabazire abashomesa fitija tutateganisibwa munonga kugira ngo turi nko mu class tubabuza nkebuze batugarukamo konkirizo kubija twashanga twabara twabona aho mushomesa umwe nawe yabara mani kugira ngo yashanga roho wenka
Ubushaki witikayo mashomero gatargamo municipality ya Rukunjiri okuyashanga yo ba headmistress n'abahoyizi babo bonka
so nkaburijo abana bitwito twigura kurungisha mu ryigura kandi abana bije konkabisa tubagera bata baboneka namwe nkarizo umushimiro mu nasiba munyowe na deputy kandi bari abagiseho bari babonanye abana bonanye n'umusafu n'abantu babiri mu private cyazi mbonasiba naba
Hilary Agaba mwezi wa DC ninga kawo nagira ngo bakira mu rukiko bayohereza abareberezi ninga inspectors kuhandika mbere mu mashomero kwihamu icyo gukora.
For us as a district today I had a meeting with my department of education, with the district education officer, with the principal inspector of schools and senior education officer, and I've dispatched them to go to the fields and monitor the situation in all the schools with all the inspectors, because we have inspectors attached on every sub-county. So these inspectors have gone in the field, trying to assess and see the situation that is there, and are going to give us feedback as council office, so that we see how the situation is moving and how best we can come in.
Lovens Biroho chairman w'ikibina cya UNATU ikigombe kiri kwegitiramo amashomeso mu ihanga bwa district ya Rukunjiri nagira ngo tubakine imbabazi zabeji
ubwo umushara gwa gutabiyeho bakatwongera tarugaruka amashomero tucazeremo babanze batwongere tubone kugarukayo abo kuba ticeshongoro cyo kugira ngo tuzo umukesandiye w'ibiro bishatore ngo tugaruke tutine mishara this time around mutwenda kugarukayo turukurira ngo esentezi tubazongise
makuru agasha kwa Smart Robert Mugabe omuri Rukunjiri.